Okay, let's see how you can publish your form and send a link to the people that need it. I've made my form. Here's my questions. Now, this is my editable thing. As I'm the owner of this form, I am the only one who needs access to this, me and other people who might be editing it. I need to change a couple things before I send this out. Just so you know, if I go to responses right here in my form, and when somebody submits my form, the responses go here in sort of like pie charts and stuff like that. If I want it to go into a spreadsheet, I click on this little spreadsheet icon and it creates a spreadsheet in the background that will collate my answers, and then I can sort it just like I can with Excel. So that's what those two things are. Then the last thing is I want people to see my form that are outside of Brevard schools. They don't have to sign into their account to see it. This little flower gear right here, if I click on that, that's my settings. I want to uncheck this box. It's a default check mark. So if you want to have your form filled out by people all over the world, let's say, you have to uncheck that box and save it. Now, here's the key. You see that eyeball? If I click on that, that's what my users see. This is the link I want to copy. Oops, not cut, Tam. Oh, good gravy. I want to copy it. Oh, now I'm making this crazy. Okay, copy it. And then I go, hey, paste that in my email. And that's, fill out this form, please. And that's how you do it. Sweet, huh?